It's worse. I just quit the last video about 5 minutes ago and it just started this. I think the tornado siren went off again. I couldn't really hear it very well. Oh my goodness. I had to shut all the windows because even though the breeze felt good, it was blowing in all the rain. And now it's really, really, really hot in here. Oh my goodness. This is Michigan, bro. I'm not even on a lake. This is Michigan, like 50 miles or more from the lake. Uh-oh, there it goes again. Why would they keep sounding it like that unless there's a tornado and I don't know how to check? I already looked at the weather. It just said severe thunderstorms. Gosh. I mean, Michigan weather always did get really, like, sensitive about using the siren all the time. Like, they usually used it just for thunderstorm warnings. But we've never had this before, dude. We've never had this before, and I've never heard it go off 4 times in an hour. Wow, dude, this is crazy. This is crazy. There are so many lightning strikes, dude. I don't even know where they're hitting. Hopefully not. Around here, power flickered. All of my lamps turned on because the power flickered. I don't know why. I had to go turn them all off. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cool outside. It's dropped like 20 degrees easily. Brr. Holy moly. Brr. That is cold, dude. That is weird. It was like 80 degrees today. Oh dear God, it's really windy. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Is there like a way my phone could alert me if there's a tornado nearby? Holy crap. I used to love this kind of weather, but ever since I was like, realized that so much of it is way worse than it used to be because of climate change. Now it just kind of scares me because we've never had to worry about tornadoes here. And yeah, I'm thinking we do now. Holy shit. It's freezing out. Holy crap. Surprised we don't have hail, to be honest, with this cold. Look, it's foggy out. Oh, that was pretty close. Yeah, I wish I could take pictures of this lightning, dude. It's everywhere. Yes, rain harder. Great. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna try and go in the bathroom and hopefully get the cats in there with me. Hopefully I'll see you guys again on the other side.